I want to show you all the systems and methods I've tried to get a dock for my car. I don't want to have to reach to plug in my phone every time I get in. My eyes are going bad, I can't see well, I gotta put on my little glasses, I need something that works. So, I have gotten all of these from Amazon so that I can just get in my car, drop the phone on the dock. But it's not that simple. This one is based on magnets. So with this one, you put the magnet in here and it just grabs the phone. I love that. I thought this is the perfect solution, right? Look at that. I mean, it's just, you don't have to aim or anything. So I was super excited about that. However, when you plug this in to your USB port, it won't charge. It just sits there. There's no green, right? You don't get that pleasant charging sound. So that meant I had to take off the case. I was like, okay, it's worth it because I love the magnet thing, right? So I got a case where just the bottom will come off. It's still a pain in the ass, but that way it's still kind of got a case. Let's try it like that. And so the magnet can just live in there, right? That would be cool. That way you don't get lint inside your port. So I tried it again. Then it charges, but the problem, it doesn't stay on over bumps. You know, you hit a bump in the road and it's probably going to come off. Anyway, you plug it in to your USB port and it won't connect with Apple Play. So as much as I wanted to love this one, I think I'm going to have to give up on it. Why doesn't someone make a dock for the car? Okay, next up.
That may be beyond my abilities at the moment.
Okay, Siri, I hope you can get on that real soon. So the other options I tried that did not work. This is about $50 if you get it from Apple. This is the one thing that will work with CarPlay. The problem is you cannot use your case. So then I got this little dock stub hub. But the problem here is now you gotta line it up, and this will work with your case, but it's just sort of flimsy like that. No matter how I set it up, it's just like sort of swaying in the wind and leans forward. So not a big fan of this system, and it still involves plugging things in each time. Yeah, see, fiddly, and not real sturdy either. So then came the USZ13, and I thought, oh, this can be the perfect solution because it has this little collar. So it sits like this, and your phone cord comes up through this hole, so you can just sit it on, right? So not bad for the desk, right? Looks pretty good. But in the car, so that was another one. And then the last one was the Native Union. Beautifully packaged. And this is the most expensive. I think this one was like 30 or 40 bucks. But I love the look of it. And it's weighted. This is like, I don't know, 3 pounds. So the problem here was that I couldn't fit that into my little car shelf. So all of these are going away. Back to Amazon. I've tried them. I wanted them to work, especially this one. But I need simple, easy to plug in. So here's what I came up with. Get ready. Drum roll, please. Binder clip. These are available at Dollar Tree, about 6 for $1. And all you need to do is, well, I guess you need $2. you need your phone, you need a cord, you need binder clips, and ideally you would also get a roll of this double stick little pads. It would be better to have black, but if you want to do, you know, the $2 port, that's $1, that's $1. You've already got your phone and your cord, I'm sure. So, here's how to do it. First, flip the clips back, put 2 of these guys on, 1, 2, and of course you peel the sticky off of the bottom, but not this side. Leave that alone for now. You're going to thread your lightning like so. Now, it's better if you have, this is a very stiff cord. It's better if you have a cord like this because it's flat. And this one is my expandable cord. I like this because it's flat and it bends without breaking and it snugs right up. So there's, I don't know if you can see it, there's the lightning tucked into the gem clip. Oh wait, sorry, this is a binder clip. And I took off one of these. Take off the one that's in the front because you want it to be just plain. You just want it to be plain in the front and all you see is this and this. I had to put an extra one because it was a slant. So basically that's it. If you want to, I started to color this in because I didn't like seeing the white. You might want to get black double stick foam tape. They do make it. That's an Amazon thing. Couldn't find it at dollar store. But once this is fastened down, I'll show you what it looks like. Once it's fastened down on your little car shelf, this can go back into the tray and hold it. Or you can put something, put another clip. You can put anything back there to keep it from, I mean, the tape will help, but it wouldn't hurt to have a little brace behind it. So that's it. I'll show you what it looks like in the car. I would suggest that you start with your dock about like that. And then put your phone on it just to test for length so that your case will fit right. Then push down until you feel it click. And that way it's got some support here. We didn't have any support with our little, where's our guy, this little add-on thing. That didn't allow for a good support system. So let's go outside. Doesn't look like much, does it? Let's go outside and I'll show you how it looks in the car. It's pretty neat. So let's go outside and I'll show you what it looks like when it's all set up in the car. Okay, so let's see what it looks like. There's the dash. And there's the dock. Sturdy. And when I put the phone on, it just leans against this part. I'm using the phone to film, or I'd show you how it goes on. So there you go. $3 docking station. And it works with CarPlay. And also charges your phone. Nice and simple. I'm so glad I figured this out because nothing I was ordering was working.